it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're trying to keep your oral health in tip-top shape and trying to avoid trips to the dentist and just overall improve your health, you've got to try out this tongue scraper.
So this is the Medi Master Tongue Scraper, and it comes in a set of 2. It comes in this really handy travel case, so it keeps it clean, and it's also great for traveling. It's stainless steel, so there isn't going to be any issues with rust or anything like that. It's very easy to clean. So what the directions tell you to do is you're going to put it at the back of your tongue and pull it forward to help scrape off bacteria and things like that. It can help to improve the taste. When you taste with your tongue different flavors, it helps to improve your breath and also many other things as well. It's a really quick tool to use, and it's super easy to clean. You can just clean it with soap and water.
I think this is a great product. My husband and I both use these. We really like them, and that's our point of view.